Before server action, we have to write a lot of boilerplate code like that. So in the before, we have to need like use state, define state, and loading errors. So and manual configuration. So now we can handle. We don't need use state anymore every time. We can handle it with form action or server action, and we can handle form on the server component, or we can handle it also on the client component in minimal setup. So let's dive into deep how we can handle form without React user state. So for that we need to just removing everything. Just remove, don't need event. Just get form data. So here I have just created, just copy and paste it. Okay, don't need user state. Don't need to change. You can keep like placeholder email and placeholder for username. Okay, now you for server action you must be set name field for unique. You can get this name by like formData.get like this. Name equals to formData.get the username, like exact name you should use here, and you can get the all form data in minimal way. And you don't need to use like make it the client component. You can use server, and also you can do here like database operation, and you don't need to use third-party API or REST API. You can use directly database operation in here. So how easier is that? Also you can use loading state by for that you need to create a separate file or separate function for button, and you can use useFormStatus under the form as a child of button. So I'll show you before that. So let's go to code base. This is our form, and we will see the output on this server component. That's why we will see the output on our terminal. So after submit, okay, form automatically refreshed without our browser refresh it. The form automatically refresh after submit. So here we have created for action ID and username, email, and also we can handle like pending state. For that we need to create a button. We will create a new button called, I'm giving the name of button pending button TSX. So what we need just interface button of strings like you can use we can access pending state. In here is pending. So here is our simple button for we need to make it our client to use client directive, and we can use pending button. So we don't need to submit here. We can type for icons to submit. This submit is sorry. Oof. So this is the default value submit, and we can pass any value from another any component where we will use it. And also we can pass pending text. We can you can use pending text. What you need to show on pending state, you can pass as a props. So we don't need button here, and it will automatically handle pending. Oh, it is very faster, but we can test it out by we can use event promise new promise. It will wait 2 seconds, and in the real world scenario we will use like database query or anything, and we need to waiting something, and the pending state automatically appear on the browser. So this is in our server component. We don't need to use useState or anything. We can handle pending state. We can handle also errors, and we just some line of code. So we don't need useState or just on change events or anything else. We in the server component we can handle it easily, but we can also do it on client component. For that we need to create a new actions ts5. We need to make it on the top of our file. We need to make will access previous value. It is unknown. We'll set the type, it is unknown, and export. So we can return it. I am not doing anything. You can use the database query or anything else in here, and I'm just importing. So for that I'm just using const useAction state const. Oh, get data. This data is nothing, action, and is pending. So it is boolean value when during the this stage is pending. We don't need to create separate file or button. We can, this is client component, that's why we just passed we can use normal button, and based on pending state we can display pending in here, and we can use this data on here. So how cool is that, and how make easier is that? So just one line of code, we are handling everything. Just how easier is that? We don't need useState anymore. We can do any database query or anything else in here. This is on the server. So that is it. How you can use action state, use form status, and form action on next, and you must be set unique name, and you can get every key value pairs of data by this logic. And you can also get like form data dot get any specific name like email, so you can get like that or that. So everything is working fine. So this is our component. You can use it. It is this is after submitting it will be true during the operational time, like 2 seconds in our case. And you can return data, and you can return data or errors. You can get the data if you have data, or you can return errors. It will be, you can just handle it, or just create a new component called errors, and you can handle errors globally. So that is it. Thank you.